Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein. You are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 24, and we'll start with the word mirror, oina, oina, oina. So the sentence, she looked into the mirror. Vay ba oina nigarist. Vay ba oina nigarist. And nigarist is a bit too formal, so in the north we usually say ba oina nigoh kard. Vay ba oina nigoh kard instead of nigarist. Soap, sobun, sobun, sobun. And in the north, again, we usually say sovun, not sobun. So instead of b in the middle, we say v, sovun. Okay, so there is no soap in the bathroom. Dar hammom sobun nest. Dar hammom sobun nest. Toothbrush, чӯткаи дандоншӯӣ. Чӯткаи дандоншӯӣ. And чӯтка is a brush and dandon, teeth. So чӯткаи дандоншӯӣ. But I don't really hear people saying чӯткаи дандоншӯӣ. Instead of that, usually people use the Russian word зубная щетка. Зубная щетка. That's from Russian. Alright. Have you brought your toothbrush with you? شما با خود чӯткаи дандоншӯӣ ро овардед? شما با خود чӯткаи дандоншӯӣ ро овардед? Toothpaste, хамираи дандоншӯӣ. хамираи дандоншӯӣ. хамираи дандоншӯӣ. Where's the toothpaste? хамираи дандоншӯӣ дар куҷост? хамираи дандоншӯӣ дар куҷост? And хамираи дандоншӯӣ is not that common yet, and people still use, most people still use lots of Russian words. So again, for this one, people say not хамираи дандоншӯӣ, but they say зубная паста. Зубная паста. Shampoo, шампун. Шампун, шампун. We bought shampoo and toothpaste. мо шампун ва хамираи дандоншӯӣ харидем. мо шампун ва хамираи дандоншӯӣ харидем. Take a shower. оббозӣ кардан. оббозӣ кардан. оббозӣ кардан. I take a shower every night. Ман ҳар шаб оббозӣ мекунам. Ман ҳар шаб оббозӣ мекунам. Towel, сачоқ. сачоқ, сачоқ. He needs a towel. ба вай сачоқ лозим аст. ба вай сачоқ лозим аст. Comb, шона. шона. Shona is a noun, and if you add kardan, shona kardan, it will be a verb. To comb will be shona kardan. Okay? So the sentence, Usman combed his hair. Usman мӯи худро шона кард. Usman мӯи худро шона кард. Perfume, atr. 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 So some Tajiks, they cannot say atr because there are two consonants in a row. Tr, atr. That's why they add in the middle, they put e, so it will sound like atir, atir. Okay, it will make it easier for them to say that. So the sentence, Parvina doesn't wear cheap perfume. Parvina atri arzonro istifoda namebarad. Parvina atri arzonro istifoda namebarad. Hair dryer, мӯйхушккунак. 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 Mӯй means hair and khushk kardan, to dry. So, my sister bought an expensive hair dryer. хоҳари ман як мӯйхушккунаки қиматбаҳо харид. хоҳари ман як мӯйхушккунаки қиматбаҳо харид. And sometimes people, instead of saying қиматбаҳо, they just say қимат. қимат. It means expensive. Alright guys, that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Khair.